Students, this is our example. Which two consecutive even numbers have an LCM of 180? Okay. So how to solve this? So here two consecutive even number. We suppose these two terms. Suppose two consecutive even numbers are, even means 2x, okay, and another number is 2x plus 2. Even numbers, that's why I have write down here 2. Okay, then write down the formula. HCF into LCM is equals to product of two numbers. This is your formula. Then substitute here values. Here I have write down 2 because HCF of two even number is 2. Because I have write down here reason. HCF of two even number is 2. Okay, that's why I have write down here HCF 2. Then LCM is already given 180. Product of two numbers means write down these two consecutive terms, 2x into 2x plus 2. Then see, these 2 and these 2 cancel. Okay, only 180 is remaining left hand side. Then right hand side, x in bracket 2x plus 2 is remaining. Then this x multiply these bracket terms. 180 is equals to x into 2x, 2x square plus x into 2, 2x. Then transfer this 180 to this side, means sign will be changed. 2x square plus 2x minus 180 is equals to 0. Then these two and this 180, all these numbers are divided by 2. So we convert this equation in simple form. Divide by 2. Then 2x square upon 2 plus 2x upon 2 minus 180 upon 2 is equals to 0 upon 2. Then these 2 cancel, these 2 also cancel. These 2 divide by 180 means we get 90. So our equation is x square plus x minus 90 is equals to 0 upon 2 means 0. Then here we get this equation x square plus x minus 90. So we have to find out the factors of this 90. Means find out the two numbers, which two numbers multiplication we get minus 90 and subtraction of these two numbers we get plus 1. So which are these two numbers? 10 9s are 90. Okay, but here plus 1. So give the signs of this 10 and 9. Write down here plus sign because 10 is bigger number, and write down here minus sign. So multiplication we get minus 90. Minus 10 into 9 we get minus 90, and minus 10 plus 9 we get plus 1. Then write down these two numbers 10 and minus 9 here. Write down with this x variable. So x square plus 10x minus 9x minus 90 is equals to 0. Then here total 4 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4. So make two groups. This is one group and this is second group. Then this x square plus 10x, this group, take x is common factor. In bracket what is remaining? X plus 10 is remaining. In second group 9x minus 90, take 9 as common factor. In bracket x minus 9 divided by 90 we get 10, x minus 10. But here minus sign, so write down here plus and here minus, is equals to 0. See, these two brackets are similar, so write down one time x plus 10, another bracket, write down remaining terms x and minus 9, is equals to 0. So one bracket write down 0 and second bracket write down 0 separately. X plus 10 is equals to 0 or x minus 9 is equals to 0. So x is equals to minus 10 or x is equals to 9. But negative value is not acceptable. Is not acceptable. Therefore, your answer is x is equals to 9. Okay. Then find out the two terms, two consecutive term. First one is 2x. Substitute here value 2 into 9. 9 to the 18. And another term is 2x plus 2. Then 2 into 9 plus 2. 18 plus 2 means 20. So, two consecutive terms are 18 and 20.